Hi there, my dear Gemini friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Geminis. So just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will be happy and if you will like my reading, so just don't forget to please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the month of December? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the month of December? Okay, one, two, let's see here first. Right. Okay. Let's see what's the bottom of. I can see it in here. The spread is not that it's not that great, but don't worry, my dear Geminis, because I can feel it in here that there's a big win-win-win situation. Okay? The bottom of the deck, there is an unexpected um unexpected good luck. It's Six of Hearts, or a sudden windfall, financial windfall. Yeah, yeah. Um, there is someone in here who is going to give you a help if you're struggling of something, especially financially. Or for those who are broken hearted, someone in here with a big heart is going to comfort you. This is a person who got a good heart. Yeah, this person will be with you to comfort you, to assure you, to be with you while you are having this um, sadness, loneliness in your life. So, for those who have having a financial difficulties, then there is a sudden, unexpected windfall or unexpected good luck that is going to happen. And then for some of you who are single or happily married, then this is a confirmation that there is a favorable long-term proposition, love and happiness. And for those who are divorced, there is a second marriage in here, a second chance. And then you will be married to someone like with money. Or for some of you, you will receive a huge amount or big amount of money from your husband, your partner. Okay, right. Okay, let's see. In here in the past, you were inspired by, I think this is your father. It is an older man with a water sign energy, a Pisces, Cancer, and a Scorpio, who is really made you, mold you into a who you are now. Yeah, you really admired this person. Maybe this is your, for some of you, this is your father, or maybe your grandfather, or maybe your boss at work. Okay, so this person guide you and really supported you to be who you are now. Okay, this is it. Right in here for some of you, three of hearts, and it's the two of hearts is standing. So meaning for some of you, you are dealing with a third party relationship. My dear Gemini, if you are listening to me now, if you are happily married or you are happily committed to someone, then step back. Step out from that forbidden relationship. If it is just for fun, then stop it. Okay? If you are happily married, then why doing that? Just for fun? Then karma is real. It will still be revealed. There is a um a payoff for that, Lexi. Especially if your loved one is a psychic or a prayer warrior, then karma will really hit you straight away. I am telling this to you. Okay? So for those who are like happily committed with boyfriend or girlfriend, if you are not happy, then talk to your girlfriend or boyfriend first, or to your partner, and then end up the relationship and deal with this. Yeah? But if you are happily committed with them, then yeah. So please avoid temptation. Because as I've said, this is the present one, yeah? Depression. Okay? Illness. As I've said, misfortune in here is going to happen to you. The problem is there will be a jealousy that is going to happen. So, if you will commit this third relationship, it this person will be attached to you, and this person will do something to ruin your family life. Yeah? And I'm telling you, that's why there will be an illness, depression, misfortune, danger to lose your fortune or your success or your job. I am telling you, this jealousy will be the cause of that. Okay? So stop that. Stop that the soonest. Okay? There will be a business problem, money problems, personal loss, illness, broken promises that is going to happen. It really aligned. Present. This is a present situation, my dear Gemini friends. So please, the soonest, this is a warning card. Okay? I'm telling this to you, and look at your future. Instead of getting this wealth and prosperity, this is reversed. This is reversed. So if you will continue to deal with this temptation, I'm telling you, so please, my dear Gemini, do not be stubborn. Do not be stubborn because um, there is something big that is going to unfold that will change you into a better person. So think about it now. Think about it. As I've said, someone jealous is going to ruin your life. Yeah, and I can feel it in here that there's big situation that is going to happen. So be ready. There is a brighter future ahead of you, awaiting for you. So please, with this temptation, disregard that one, okay? Because there's achievement, a lot of achievement. Your power in here is achievement. Whatever you will do, you will achieve. You will accomplish everything that you really, and you will get what you want. But as I've said, external influence, as I've said, a break in a relationship, infidelity or separation is going to happen because of this temptation. So please, my dear Gemini, choose flirtation or happy fun. Okay? So with that, hopes and fears, this is the happy home, happy life. It is reversed because of this. And it will happen. This is your future. This is your future, my dear Gemini. And then it says in here, misfortune upsets this temptation card. So please, um, it's a heavy, but please, as I've said, your family loves you. Do not be tempted with just someone who is more attractive to your loved one, but the heart, the mind is not genuine. That is just only for a short time. Fun flirtation, my dear Gemini. And I have said, as you are a spiritual individual, karma will hit you straight away. Okay, there is travel in here, and for some of you, there is recognition, there is achievements, a lot of success, unstoppable success, and recognition, but you are surrounded by ill will people. Okay, let's see any confirmation that for this negative spread. uh, your mother, this is a motherly figure, water sign energy, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, who will give you an advice. This is a very affectionate, loving, caring woman who is seeing you struggling with your current situation. So she will give you a kind advice. So listen to that because that's full of words of wisdom. Enlighten your mind. You will feel it. It will enlighten your mind, body, and soul. Yeah, my dear Gemini. If I'm older than you, then maybe that's me because I'm a Scorpio, you know? So, one more confirmation. It's a heavy, I can feel it in him. So, see, 10 of diamonds. This is a travel card, money and travel card that is really destined for you and it is coming to you. So, if you will be dealing with this mess because of one temptation only and ruined your whole life, then it's no, my Gemini, please stop it. Stop that craziness. Okay? This is a beautiful card, a change for financial status. Focus, focus, darling. Okay? You will be meeting. So if I were you, if this one is in your job, I think if you will be promoted or if you are in the management, then ask for a transfer to a new workplace. And in that, we will meet new people, new alliances. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the tarot cards. What are more messages that has in store for you, my dear Gemini friends? My spirit guides, what are your more messages for our dear Gemini friends for the month of December? Hmm. Okay, the bottom of the card is Page of Cups, intuition. As I've said, follow your gut feelings, trust your intuition. It's a yes card associated with, this is your Gemini. This is your card associated with Gemini energy and aligned to the moon, which is feelings and instincts. You follow your instincts, trust your instincts, okay? And associated, I mean, aligned to root chakra. So it says in here, trust your intuition, follow your instinct, a sensitive, thoughtful, introverted, okay? And psychic and an emotional person. Also, it says in here, do not be too sensitive to others, okay? And be tactful, okay? Because I can see it in here that for some of you, you will be dealing with legal arguments because of being tactless to others, okay? Watch your words, my dear Gemini. I know you are an air sign, so if you are really angry, then you will just lash out. So be careful with that because there are jealous people in here that just want to pin you down, and then they will use that being tactless of yours to file a case against you legally. Okay. For some of you, you are glowing up now. There is victory in the card. And if you if you apply for a promotion, you will get it, and there is a recognition and rewards for your hard work in here. So your hard work is recognized. Okay. There is a reverse cards of King of Cups. Oh, someone is going to give you an advice. So trust your intuition because there is a jealous. Uh, if you are a leader, I can feel it in here that there are leaders that is really jealous of you and they will give you a bad advice. Okay. Um, and also it says in here to do not be self-serving, the one who looks out only for yourself, okay. um, for those who are drinking an alcohol, I have been told in here to slow down and don't drink too much because it will give you you will ended up having a liver problem. So, and also for those who are suffering from numbness and tingling sensation, or for those who are smoker who smoke a lot, slow down as well because it will give you a lung problem. I can see it in here. There are people, Geminis who are suffering from lung problems, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchiectasis, asthma, severe asthma. I can feel it in here. So you will ended up having that one. So if I were you, please slow down. Okay? And for those who are having numbness and tingling sensation consistently, and well, you have to seek a medical advice for that, my dear Gemini. Okay. Number 14. Temperance is a yes card associated with Sagittarian energy aligned to Jupiter. It's an expansion and or prosperity. Yeah, and aligned as well to solar plexus. Whatever you want or desire in life, you will get it, my dear Gemini. So just don't do something bad, okay? It says in here to have a peaceful uh, life, then just focus on what you want in life and focus to your family. Be patient if you are waiting for something because patience is a virtue. Okay, and um, if you are happily married or happily committed to someone, then that is your soulmate, oh my dear Gemini. Okay, and for if you were hurt by someone, if you had a fight with someone who really loves you, time heals all wounds. Okay, let's go to the angel card. Message for you, my dear Gemini, for the month of December. The bottom of the deck is Seven of Fire. Defend your beliefs and decisions. Stand your ground. Choose your battles wisely. Okay. As I've said, for those who are having a dispute, dealing with disputes, fights, um, I think it's a legal battle. Yeah. As I've said, I've told you, watch your words because someone is going to file a case against you because of that bad words. Um, you will be victorious with that. Okay. 15. Ego. Archangel Jophiel. A false sense of entrapment. Being overly focused on material things. Oh, negative or fear-based thoughts. Okay, my dear Gemini. So let's go to the animal spirit guides for you, my dear Gemini for the month of December. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the card is 11. Strength. Massa, lion, and lamb. True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, as I've said, and compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. Wow, that's a beautiful message for you, my dear Gemini. Okay, Prince of Spring. Passionate, charismatic, confident, restless. Dolphin. An opportunity arises that needs your attention right away. Moving quickly is important, yet there is nothing you cannot handle if you follow your inner guidance. Follow your inner guidance, trust your instinct, trust your intuition and follow your instincts, my dear Gemini. Okay, let's see. For those who are seeking an advice or message regarding their job, career, and or business. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the card is drama. Drama. Beware of troublemakers in the workplace. Yeah, as I've said, because they will, for those who are making drama, just to piss you off, and so that they can file something against you. As I've said, stand your ground, choose your battles wisely, and do not engage with this, okay? Beware of troublemakers in the workplace. The job you want may have too much upheaval to bear. Keep emotions and gossip in check, okay? Fast changes, okay? You will be leaving a job suddenly or getting one very quickly, or your work may change dramatically in a short time. Just go with the flow. Okay. So for those who have one question in their mind that is seeking for a yes or no answer, think about it now. Okay. So if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Mm. Okay, the bottom of the deck is a no card. It says in here, your ideas are rejected, not satisfied with result. Let's see. Oh, it's no cards as well. It's a strong no, double no. So, cut short, uphill battle, fighting for a lost cause. Okay, so stand your ground. Um, for those who are dealing with a legal battle at the moment, calm down. Okay, choose your battle wisely, as what mentioned before. Okay, calm down. Okay, and for those who wanted to do something, I think don't do it. I can feel like it's not yet the right time to do that. Okay, wait for a couple of days. Okay, thank you so much, my dear Gemini. Good luck on your journey. Love and light. Namaste.